lease at the exclusive VIP price.
Today, we're going to check out the new Ram 1500 Bighorn. And the Bighorn Night Edition includes black exterior accents. Rear power sliding window. Wow, this interior is massively spacious. Check out this 12-inch display screen with wireless Apple CarPlay. And wow, power adjustable pedals. Check out the power tailgate release. Let's load her up.
Plus, every Westbury vehicle comes with America's #1 VIP Plus program. At Westbury Jeep Chrysler Dodge Ram, we make it easy.
Black Friday sales event.